Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download YouTube playlist videos at once. So in order for you to see your playlist, you can tap your profile here, go to view your channel, and then next to home is your playlist. Now in order for you to download all your playlists at once, and then you can click this view full playlist right here, tap this, then you will see all the songs that you have added on this playlist. So I'm going to show you how to add songs first. For example, you want to add this to your playlist, you just have to click plus icon, or you can search and then add songs to your playlist. Now, if you wanted to download this at once, you can just simply click this arrow facing down. So once you tap this download icon, then you will see that your songs are starting to download. So this is the songs on your first or one playlist here, and you can do this to other playlists. So in this case, I cannot download this because I have to upgrade to premium. But if you go to other website and then look for any website that can allow you to download your songs or your playlist at once, then you can. But I also prefer to upgrade your account to premium. So it would be easier for you to download your playlist at once. So as you can see, if I go to any web browser here, like I have to open UTab and then type download playlist YouTube, something like that. You will see tons of website right here, but be sure that these are all legit to avoid any hacks and other problems. So I also prefer that you would upgrade to premium in order for you to download playlist videos or YouTube playlist videos at once. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.